Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the day 6 of the bridal week. So for this look I started with the brows, and for that I've taken the Makeup Revolution Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And with a concealer I'm going to carve out her brows, and I'm going to use that concealer as her eyeshadow base. And with a sponge I'm blending out the concealer. Now with a little bit of translucent powder, I'm setting the base of the eyeshadow. First, I'll start with highlighting her brow bone, and for that I've taken the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now for the first crease shade, from that same palette I've taken the shade Hunts, and I'm packing that color onto her outer corner and her inner corner, because I wanted this to be kind of like a halo smoky eyes. Now to blend out the edges of that brown, I'm going to take a lighter, more warm kind of a brown shade from that same palette, and I'm blending out the edges. Now to intensify the outer corners, I'm taking a really dark brown shadow. Again, I'm applying it on the outer corners and a little bit on the inner corners. And to blend out the edges of that dark brown, I'm taking the shade Hunts. And with a tiny blending brush, I'm blending out the edges. Now on her eyelids, I'm taking a bronzy coppery eyeshadow. And on top, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter. This is in the shade Diamond Dust. And I'm only applying it on the middle part of her eyelids. Here I'm applying some mascara to prep her lashes for the falsies. And here I'm adding some falsies that I bought from Noosh collection. Now let's start the face makeup. First I'll start with moisturizing her face, and afterwards I'll start to color correct, and for that I have used the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and Kryolan Paint Stick in the shade FS22. Now for foundation, I mixed 3 of them. I will list all of the details on my description bar. With a brush, I applied it all over her face first and also her neck. And now with a beauty blender, this is from Jan's if you're wondering, I'm going to blend out the foundation. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain and Yellow, and I'm applying it on the centers of her face. And with a small Real Techniques beauty blender, I'm blending everything out. Now to set her face, I'm taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And almost immediately, I'm dusting off the excess powder, except her under eyes. Now let's contour her face, and for that I've taken the Rimmel Kate Moss Contouring Kit and the LA Colors I Heart Contour Palette. And I'm also contouring her nose. For blush, I've taken the City Color Blush Palette, and I'm applying it on the apples of her cheeks. Going back to that same highlight shade, I'm going to highlight her inner corners. And now taking the shade Jax, I'm applying it on the outer part of her lower lash line. Here I'm adding some mascara on her lower lashes. And for the glow, I'm taking the Kona by Farnasalem Twinkling Star Highlighter. First I'm highlighting her nose bridge, Cupid's bow, and the cheekbones. Also a little bit on her chin and the sides of her forehead. And I'm setting the face makeup with MAC Fix Plus. Now for lipstick, I'm taking the Kona by Farnasalem liquid lipstick in the shade Illusion and Cherish liquid lipstick in the shade A09. So that's it guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!